Kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP hakasau terik kalalingkot. Kalapan pau ka jingso kundet bat sengau kiajur halor ka jingweng no jong kaseng nyotrap National Liberation Council HNLC na ka jingiakren iasuk bat ka sorkar pedeng kumju ka sorkar jela dah ka Kyntu bakan wanphai pat syakan nikalenti jingiakren. Habakren Syllad Patai Khubor u National Vice President ka BJP ubadai kemiru ya ka parti ha Meghalaya u Dr. Chubaau ulakar part ya ka HNLC bakan wan syakmat bat penyaso ha kalenti ka badai bat ban peniok part ya ka jingsung. Kadba up state president ka parti u Rikmanji Momin Ulaong ngidon kam ya ka jingsuk kumtangi kerpat ya ka seng HNLC bakan wan syakmat ban penlong ya ka jingiakren iasuk ka wamar khmat bat ka sorkar jela ne sorkar pedeng. Kumju unong aiktian bahalor ka BJP ka jela ubedai ru uhe pulen IPS barim uba em kharkrang ha ka jingkren ulaong baka parti ka penpau ka jingkendet ka bakrau halor ka ne ka jingshimrai bakan san jong ka HNLC ban wengno yalade na ka jingiakren iasuk bat ka sorkar ulaong ru bah ka jingsngau ka jong u kan omlak banlong ya ka sorkar bakan shuweng na penkut no marmar ya baro kikis persya ya kinong yalam bat kit khot jong ka ne ka kenhun.
We need a peace. As a whole, we need the peace. So we will request HNLC to come forward to have a peace talk with the state government or central government directly. It's up to we as a human being and as a state, we need peace because now it's at least. According to me, yesterday only we saw in the paper that last night only I heard that they're withdrawing. So I don't have any comment on that first. Let us verify that we'll let you later.
Militant organization and party. We are party. So militant organization, they have to talk with the state government, maybe central government. That is up to them. But as state president clearly said that we want peace, and we also appeal to our militant organization to come forward and join in the mainstream and maintain the peace. That must only.
Current president mana? Nakaliang ke BJP lagi ke parti lagi, because ngimlong involved kan ni. Tambah ngikwa bahkan wan ke jingsuk apa, jelah ke jungi. Tendai ke bang long lengok nama beli bah kensan siweng nak iladi nak tujuh keren. But dengan pergi kot kubor bami mana kapau ba mina ka gender jungki gari ban map iki case jungki bala rim ki ban shwa ti ngatrai gila dei ban tinggi gila din up shwa support apor ma ngatrai kamde basuk e government ru bakan shuweng na ta ki case kamtam el la ki case bala cha sheet ba yutan pro trial mata po kut namar we la cha sheet ka case ni tangmut ka chong ka kut kandaya ka trial ban lada kisah acquit ni kisah ban convict kata and ban suong hi baga government hi tang at one stroke of a pen bakan su weng not taki case it's not possible I try so kadon ka jing but haju ka por ngin hapar khat pada nam tai ki victim ki bla amat ki tu jing sale kala mandi bahi ma sem ju ki jong aru mentala da ka government ban penhun yang ni ka wikaliang ka weng not ki case badan menta for trial mentaka what justice badan menta ki beri ki sale ai ki kam ki pemusuhan tingat try ka masuk ki la de ka long kerki kata ka jingweng no ki na ka ji keren kan kim la din ai lat so makan ya ka ji keren cuman we are appealing like the president had said earlier if we are appealing to the HNLC to continue with the peace process and in any negotiation there's a give and take. You cannot make demands and expect all the demands to be met by the government. But you have to look at the larger picture, not that specific issue they are. Just because one issue has not been settled doesn't mean that you pull yourself out of the peace talk.